Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about the global filters in Odoo 19 dashboard. Let's dive into the dashboard module, and from here you can see that we have the new filter over here. You can just find the global filters for date, and we can just get the dashboard details or analysis on today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, 90 days, and month to date, and everything. So if you want to just change it, you can easily go with it with the options. And here you can find last month, and the month-based filters are available. And if you want to just switch between the months, you have the previous button and the next button over here. And you can also switch between quarters. And if you want to just switch between Q1, Q2, Q3, and everything, you can just do that. And the other option is year to date. So if you want to just go with year to date, you can also just get that you can just easily find the analysis with the last 12 months. And if you want to just get with the date over here, you can switch between the year over here by choosing the previous button and next button. Now, if you want to just get the analysis based on all time, you can just choose all time option. And here you can find the custom range option. So here you can set the date on which you want to find the analysis of the sales over here. Now, in this case, you can also see that we have the custom filter. The global filter. As you just move on here, you can find the period is already given over here. And if you want to change between that, you can change that. And we have the option to add the filters. So I can add the filters based on country, product, customer, category, sales team, salesperson, source, and medium. Let's go with customer, and you can see that I'm going to consider the customer over here, and we can choose the customer from here. So I'll be choosing the customer as Azure. Let's say Azure is the customer. If you want to just add multiple customers, you can just add them. So the other customer is Deco Edit. And if you want to add more filters, you can also just add the filters based on products and everything. So if you want to add any other product like customizable desk and all, you can just do that. Now let me click on filter, and here you can see that as we don't have any the filter is not applicable for any of the customer, you will be getting the quotation as 0, orders as 0, revenue as 0, and everything. So if you want to just change, you can also change that. Now, the other option you can find over here is that we can just resize the dashboard over here. So upon clicking on this button, you can see that we can just hide the panel over here. And if you want to just unhide, you can choose that arrow itself. Now, let's move on to the products. As we just move on to the products here, we can find that we have the graph view over here. So if you want to make this graph full screen, you can simply use this, and you can see that we can just adjust, and we can also just switch between different graph like lines, pie chart, and everything. Now here we have the 3 dots. This would allow us to copy as an image. So you can see that the chart copy to the clipboard, and we can just go with further. And if you want to just download this, you can also easily download this graph. So upon clicking on download, you can see that this will be downloaded as a PDF file. Now, if you want to just exit from this view, you can just choose the exit full screen, and this would allow you to exit the full screen of the graph view. With the graph. So that's all about today, and these are the changes that we can find under dashboard global filters. And if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.